I also really happy if you were try to throw me questions or type out comment down below, and I will be reply it. I will be respond it to your question to. So hello everyone, welcome back for speaking English for every single day, and I'm doing well, and hopefully over there you are doing it well as well. And today I just talking by myself without any preparation or script that I usually prepare before record myself. And it's important to recall the vocabulary, the sentence that I ever read, that I ever memorize, that I ever try to remember a lot. So this is the time, the opportunity to get it back, to try my brain uh, to recall it back. Yeah, but before of it, actually, I came across the nice uh, topic to discuss for today. It's about a traveler in Indonesia was being worried about protests. So actually, the protest was occurred on August in 2025, which means previous years, but I just came across for two days. So this is nice to discuss. I mean, so so I came across foreigner website that warn their people, their friend, and Indonesians who also travel in Indonesia to stay careful, to stay take care of their self in a protest, because uh, I thought you already know about that, the really huge protest over Indonesia. And yeah, so that's the cause someone's warn their peoples to be carefully to uh, in a protest in nations. So let me see and read the point that the foreigners told in website. Indonesian, a land for its warmth and cultural riches, is currently experiencing a wave of political unrest. So this is the point one, and number two, the Indonesian protests that erupted in late August 2025 are spreading across major cities like Jakarta, Yogyakarta, and Denpasar. Yeah, and the four and the three, I mean, while some remain peaceful, others have escalated into violent Indonesian riot, causing disruptions and safety concerns, and especially for travelers. And the last one is, but don't cancel your plan just yet. With the right information and flexible attitude, you can still explore this incredible country safely. Because yes, with some precautions, Indonesia is safe travel right now. Yeah, so that's the point that the foreigners tell in her blog. Yeah, and and also the foreigners blog also add some important point in inside the her blog. So she tell like this one: avoid government voting and protest area, and also do not participate in or document protests, and public transport is disrupt, and 4, plan ahead, and number 5, be flexible with your travel plans, follow local news and embassy elders. So that's the really important informations, important news from foreigners to their people in this country, Indonesia. And yeah, it's important, guys, to tell our friends, our close friends, uh, if we are talking country, our people, our union. Yeah, so I also compliment the foreigners because warn their people. Yeah, so that's my story for today, and really you enjoy it, or I also really happy if you were try to throw me questions or type out comment down below, and I will be reply it. I will be respond it to your question, to your yeah, something like you I want to try. Yeah, okay guys, that's all my explanation. Thank you.